Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about swollen lug nuts. Now, these lug nuts are specifically for Jeeps, and this part over here is plastic, and what ended up happening is that when we do rotations and we use the guns and we tighten these, heat gets created and it makes this expand, and that's how they end up swelling. Now you can permanently fix this on your own, but it's going to take a lot of effort and time by removing this plastic thing, and you're going to be needing... If you don't have the vise, you can remove the wheel and hand thread the lug nut into the hub and use it as a mounting device. A vise. So what I want to do is just like I did over here, I try to get this out with one hand, hopefully. Alright, 1 second. So as I was saying, I just separated these. As I was saying, you can permanently fix this by removing this plastic cap, and you end up getting the metal part, which expands, but it expands much slower than plastic. So these normally are a 19, and when you strip them, they're gonna become a 17. But over here at the dealer, we don't just strip them, we just replace them, and they're gonna swell again eventually, and that's gonna go the same for this style. Okay, so to remove this plastic part, as I said, it's gonna be a pain to do that, and you need a vise, so I'm gonna show it to you real quick. Okay, so you sit that lug nut, and the stud is built in on this one. I don't like this style. You sit it on the vise, get it real tight, get you a chisel or whatever this is called, and you start hammering it in bit by bit from here to here, all around, and then you can pry it out with this, like try to like strip it down like that and that and that until you end up getting something like this. And a tip, don't ever put your stud like this and then tighten it. It's gonna damage it, as you can see, and it won't thread in. It's gonna damage all the threads. So yeah, just put it this way, upside down, and just work it around, and yeah. So yeah, that's how you fix these swollen lug nuts. And if a technician tells you that your lug nuts are swollen, they're not trying to scam you or anything. It's a real thing. So yeah.